Now we'll talk about price discrimination. Okay, this is the second part of the monopoly lecture, price discrimination. Right. So you have, what do you mean by price discrimination? Well, if any monopolist, he can sell the identical goods at different prices, this is called price discrimination. So you come to me, I sell this course to someone at some price, to someone at some price. So this is like price discrimination, right? So the possibility, please write this, possibility of selling identical goods at different prices is called price discrimination. Right? And but this can only happen if reselling is not possible. I'll tell you what I mean by this. If reselling is costly, or not possible. Okay, now what do you understand by this? So for example, I am the monopolist and there are two customers, one you and other is some other person. Consumer 1 is you and there is another person, consumer 2. So I am selling a good to you at 50 rupees and I am selling a completely same good to the other person at 100 rupees. Now, it is also possible that what you can do is that you can buy the good from me. Instead of buying 1 unit, you can buy 2 units, and one you will keep with yourself and the other you might sell to the other person at 60 rupees. He only has to pay 60, he doesn't have to pay 100 and he'll get the same product. Okay, so this reselling, in case if reselling is possible, then I cannot price discriminate, right? Then I know that you can resell it to someone else and hence I will not price discriminate. But if reselling is not possible, so for example, you are too far apart from each other and the product is such that cannot be transported like this and hence you will not be able to resell. So, or in any other way, if reselling is not possible or if reselling is very, very costly, then in that case, what you will say that price discrimination is possible. If reselling is possible, then price discrimination is not possible. If reselling is not possible, then price discrimination is possible. Now there are 3 degrees of price discrimination. First degree, second degree and third degree. We'll take up one by one. First degree. First degree or perfect price discrimination. Right, first degree of perfect price discrimination. Now, supposedly, perfect price discrimination is what? Supposedly, I have 10 customers, right? I am a monopolist and I have 10 customers, right? I have 10 customers and I can identify these customers, right? I can identify these customers. Now, this is not this doesn't have to be taken up in a lighter vein. Sometimes seller cannot even identify his customers, right? He is just selling. But supposedly, if I can identify, and I can perfectly identify each and every customer, okay? So if I can identify